property owner in Manhattan. I own a 5-story residential and commercial property. A building dates back to the 1880s or 1890s. Well, unfortunately, one of the largest developers in Manhattan built a 32-story luxury high-rise next door to my building and caused damage. After unsuccessfully trying to negotiate some sort of settlement with both the developer and the construction company, I was coming up dry. And then finally, a very good friend of mine said, "You must go see Adam Leitman Bailey. He's the one to talk to about it." Well, after a preliminary phone call, my first appointment with the firm impressed me greatly. First of all, it was a number of attorneys in one room that already had a background idea as to what was going on and began advising me immediately. Needless to say, I didn't hesitate to sign a contract with them, and I was assigned as primary counsel Joanna Peck. I must say, she did an outstanding job. You know, whether you're male or female, when you get involved in situations like this, you can't help but be emotionally bothered by things. So it's critical that an attorney not only handle the facts and figures of what one is trying to accomplish, but also to understand the stress that those of us go through, because these procedures don't finish overnight. They do take a while. But thanks to Joanna's help, as well as her spearheading information for both Colin and Jeffrey, we managed to successfully settle, because quite frankly, I was not willing to go to court. I'm not a Trump, and I'm not going to spend millions, which I don't have. But we successfully found an equitable settlement, and we came to an agreement. I could not have done it without Joanna, her patience, her persistence, her perseverance, as well as her professionalism and the firm's professionalism. And certainly that tone is set by the owner, and I have nothing but accolades for Adam as well. When it came to making a phone call, if Joanna was not immediately available, I heard from her within the 15 to 20 minutes. As far as responding to emails, she was amazing. In fact, a couple of the people, there were times when she was out, whether it be on vacation or out sick, that someone else, whether it be Jeffrey or Colin, they as well cared about me enough. I did not feel that these attorneys had any other case but mine. They cared about me, they called me promptly, they answered my questions, they did not dilly-dally about anything. So yes, it's about not just doing the job, but caring about the people that you are representing. And I know that sounds maybe cliche, but for me, it's very important that I establish a good, sound relationship with someone. And I must say that the attention to detail, the callbacks, the holding my hand when needed, the explaining of the law to me, I could not have asked for anyone better than Joanna and all the other people that she spearheaded to help me. As I said, you don't find a law firm very often that projects but also believes in helping the client and being there for the client. And I'm not getting paid to do this, but this has been my experience, and if this wasn't the case, my friend would not have recommended them. So I just prove again, as my friend was satisfied, I'm satisfied, and would wholeheartedly recommend that this firm be used for anyone's legal issues, relative to real estate or whatever else the firm does. So I want to thank the firm. I would highly recommend the firm, just as my friend recommended it to me. And so if you find yourself in this sort of a situation, don't hesitate. This is an outstanding firm. They do outstanding work, and I'm sure you will be pleased with the results.